Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm Nadia Ayu Mulani. I'm from English department. I'm semester 5A. Well, today I will share to you how to increase student motivation. But before I explain about how to increase student motivation, we do ice breaking. You know ice breaking, guys? Okay, ice breaking is warming up, doing before lesson, meetings, and so on. Okay, guys, follow me. When I say morning, you clap your hands one time, like this, and then when I say afternoon, you clap your hands two times. Okay, and when I say night, you clap your hands half cup. Okay, then let be some. Okay, let's try morning, afternoon, afternoon, morning, afternoon, morning, night, afternoon, morning. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay guys, today I will share to you about how to increase student motivation. Okay, but before you look for motivation to learn, take your time to find out in advance what motivates you are studying for. Okay, I share to you steps to find student motivation that you can apply. Okay guys, first, make friends with people who have high learning enthusiasm, and the second is set targets to take, and the third is prove that you are smart, and then the fourth is study in a comfortable atmosphere, and the fifth is morning study groups, and the sixth is think outside, and the last is don't forget to have fun. Okay guys, the most important things, don't forget to respect yourself, because taking a moment to hang out with friends, watch a movie at the cinema, and relax in coffee or anything else. Okay guys, that can make you refresh for a while. This way, your mood will remain stable and your enthusiasm for learning will be maintained. Okay guys, I think it's enough about my video. Thank you for your attention and keep watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.